The Weather Station Children's Rain Umbrella Manual Fiberglass Folding Mini Umbrella is really, really well built. This thing is sturdy. I was wondering when I got it for my daughter, and it's not that tiny actually. It's perfect for a teenager or a young kid. It's super sturdy. The parts are all solid. We've all had cheap umbrellas and we know the difference between a high quality, expensive, well built umbrella and a cheap one. And, usually the manual fiberglass folding ones, the mini ones, tend to be the cheaper ones. And this one is inexpensive, but it's definitely not cheap. The components, the fiberglass, everything is made very well. This thing will obviously last for years. So I'm really super happy with the value here. Really super happy with the workmanship, the quality, the construction, the parts. I mean, this is like a high quality umbrella, and it's almost like it's like 60 or 70% the size of a normal large umbrella. It's only 30 inches, but that's perfect for a kid. And just really, really happy with this purchase. Guys, this is a good item. It's well built. It's not a cheapo. Don't be afraid to buy it. If you're wondering if it's quality or not, this is definitely, definitely a high quality item.